All right, guys, welcome to today's TA drill. As usual, we will look at some tickers that members requested us. Um, as usual, always, I'm not your financial advisor. Don't believe in what I say. Um, this is not a. Basically, I'm not telling you to buy or to sell anything. All right. With that being said, let's start with Nvidia. Oh my God! Look at this bad boy. Wow. It ran. Holy fuck. Um, I think something is happening with the chip shortage or something. I don't know. Maybe the production um restart going well. So let's see. Okay, RSI. Okay, support resistance. Support 540. 540 resistance. Poof, resistance 570 579. I would say 580. So that gives us a $40 range. I would start trimming if it goes to 575. So let's put like a box here, our target box. Can do something like this. Let's look at the EMAs. Okay, the EMAs are switching for a change of trend. Okay, we kind of got out of our consolidation trend. Right now, I think we entered like from 720. I think we entered a bull run. Okay, so actually when we broke 740, 7 no why 7 540, we entered a bull trend with because of the moving average starting to cross above the longer moving average. Sure. Okay, that is why I have my EMA's ribbon. I use that to tell me like how is the trend going? Are we in the consolidation zone? Is the trend strong or not? Blah blah blah, things like that. Just gonna pull my volume profile, visible range, to look at some volume activities. Okay, I have some. Okay, I have a very nice support just below us. Um, Yesterday we went right through that, so that's a very nice news. That box over here, starting from 553 to 543. So put that on your chart. Um, that's a very, very, very nice $10 range for Nvidia. Yesterday we went like through that like butter. This morning, we retested it, okay, in the morning, and then we got completely out of the box, and we're hanging high in the sky at 559 right now. Looking at the stochastic, it tells me that it's overbought. Okay, but RSI is still healthy though. We're still at 59.74, which gives us a lot of space still. Okay, Nvidia has a lot of space. Stochastic can stay overbought for a long time. Don't forget that. But just pay attention. We're now in the overbought, so um, like don't load like 10,000 calls or whatever. But we still have room. CMF picked up very strongly, crossed above the zero line right here. Entry was at 514 with the CMF. Right through that, you could have got a $50 run. Is it 50? No, yeah, $50 run around 49, 48. So yeah, so with that with our levels determined, indicator tells us that it still has a lot of room. The trend is, of course, bullish, very strong. Um, right now, you can play the run up to 575, I would say. Okay, and risk reward, you can play something like this. So let it to the last pullback. Okay, 549, and then target 575, risk reward of 144. I I mean, maybe. I mean, today is what? Today is Monday. We're just Monday. Holy fuck. Um. So it's just Monday. So maybe a continuation for you can maybe buy a weekly. Um. But to be honest, I would wait like for a
Something
retest or
interesting.
yeah. Go
All
ahead.
the tech stocks, they all had crazy value. Like I told you with Microsoft, they all had crazy volume 10 minutes after close. Like Nvidia had 837,000 value
Yeah, I
after
just
they
saw that.
closed,
That's
and
crazy.
then so did Amazon too. They had crazy value.
Yeah,
So that's
Nvidia just
interesting
got
for
well, Nvidia got the biggest volume, the biggest candle volume of today.
yeah, all the tech stocks did. So that's good for tomorrow. Very bullish, or sorry, bearish. I don't know, whatever. Bullish. Sorry.
Okay, yeah. So that's it for Nvidia. Volume today wasn't that great compared to the two previous day. Okay, so just put that in mind. But today with the one with the candle that just came in, um, we might pick up some volume more for good news. But just watch out today. We had less volume than yesterday for Nvidia. Um, yeah. So the push today wasn't supported like 100% well with the volume. So just watch out for that. SQ. SQ. Ooh. Okay, that's a lesson for me. Always put to my, okay. SQ today. Low volume. Low volume. Low volume. Um, but very nice. Very nice. Like doji. Okay. Very nice doji candle. The bulls show its strength in the afternoon. With SQ, we found a support right down here at 224. I mean, that level's pretty random. Um, like right in the middle of the range. Like it doesn't make that much sense, you know. Like I would have bet something 226, but like I would have get faked out here 224. Will be brutal. But the 50 my 50 EMA kind of called it out. Okay, right here. So it gave me 224, 225, but again I would have got faked out by like $1, which can be brutal for a trade. Um MACD on the 1 hour, it's looking, I mean, like today we tried to pick it up, but like obviously this is showing like um a weakness in the bull run. Maybe a consolidation here. Not necessarily a weakness, but just a consolidation because today we had a very nice candle that showed us support like from 226 and we were able to close at 229.95, nearly 230, which is very nice. CMF today the volume kind of got down. Stochastic still running. RSI is above 50, entering bullish zone. SQ, just a quick look of it. I would play again, same play. 236 target. Um, 236 target. Stop loss. Oof, I mean, stop loss. We should put it on 223, but I kind of don't like that that risk reward is not that great. So if you're playing something like this, maybe um put credit spread or just a straight naked to 236. But I don't recommend that. Risk reward is not nice. It's about like 50-50. So I wouldn't get anything in 2 square right now. Um but just the doji candle today showed us like a very nice pickup. But yesterday, I mean Friday, um It's an inverse doji though. So the opposite of the bullish doji. Okay, Palantir. Palantir. Why did I? Okay, that was weird. Okay, volume wasn't that great for Palantir today. Oh no, volume was enormous, but more shorts than bulls. But guess what? We held the 2308, which is very nice. We held that. Okay, so tomorrow expect more upside for Palantir, potentially coming up with the event they have. We also have this beautiful trend line on the MACD. And on the daily, stochastic picked up. CMF, um, not not looking great. If we pull back below minus 0.10, it can mean a change of trend. Okay, watch out for the CMF. RSI slowly picking up. I mean, Palantir like stayed in the oversold region like for what, since February 17 to March 30. So it's kind of long. Maybe a time to pick it up again. And during that whole time, guess what? The volume we had a divergence with the CMF. Okay, which means that more bullish volume comes in, but the price action is not reacting accordingly. So divergence over there. So we look for something in the upside, potentially 27 in the upcoming weeks. Okay.
They had
Uh,
good news last weekend also with the
huh?
government. They had good news last weekend with the government also.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's your ideal risk to reward ratio? Phone.
At least
You
two.
know,
At least two.
two.
Like, like if you guys want like a tip, well, not a tip, but like something that I consider important. Um, don't get into plays that it cannot go 3x. Like I have that new mentality now, and it doesn't mean that the stock needs to do a home run. Okay, don't mix like a GME thing with the 3x options. Options go 3x all the time. You just need to pick like the best one. So yeah, Palantir, amazing risk reward. Okay, amazing, amazing, amazing. Um, so you put your stop loss at 22.74 the last time it did a pullback. Okay, you take a target. I mean, we still have to get above 24.50, which is our resistance right now. So we still need to get above that, of course, and then we can look into the 27 level. Um, so I would say, okay, I would say, okay, look, so 20, okay, 27.50 like this, and you pull it down here, okay, you pull it down here to 20.84, so a um, pretty wide risk reward ratio. Okay, it's wide because you you pretty much let $4 to the upside and 264 to the downside. But looking at this, I would play a put credit spread or something, like saying that it does not go below 22 or something. Like I won't like like every indicator is telling me to play on naked, um, which can be done, and will be given more reward for sure. But I just want to play safe, conservative. Like my play is a conservative play. Like for a naked, it can be very nice. Target 27.50. for especially for April 14. Okay. So Palantir, okay, it's done. And yeah, Palantir has a huge gap to fill. A 2% gap to fill around the 30-31 level. So potentially a target there, and we know how Palantir move. I mean, it went to 45 last time it did an event. So yeah, let's potentially another play to come. MSFT, Softy, very strong. Okay, stochastic picked up immensely. RSI to the roof. Still have room to go. CMF looking to cross the zero line. That will confirm a trade with the CMF signal. But I mean, Microsoft move like already $17 to the upside. So it was kind of like a very sharp move to the upside. Very strong. Um, Maybe I would look for a pullback. Not necessarily soon. Okay, but I will have that trend line to put a target on. So I have this trend line, and so trend line around here, and you take the previous all-time high. It can act as a support, but right now I will also look at 242 as a stronger support. Yeah,
Would you mind doing
240.
a quick fib on that, please?
Huh?
Can you do a quick Fibonacci on that, please?
Yeah.
Thanks.
618 is at 238. Right here. Right here, yeah. 238? Does that make sense?
Yes, sir. 260 tomorrow, though. It's gonna happen.
Yep. Okay, so if it goes to 260, bro. If it goes to 260, let's pull a fib. 260. 260, then it will be 242 exactly.
Holy crap. That sets up.
So if it goes to 260, the retracement will be perfectly at 242, which is our support box.
That's hilarious.
But that's like that analysis is just a if of it's just a if
Yeah, I
like out
know.
of a if, so it's a double if type shit. So there's a lot of if in that situation, but hey, I saw some people calling crazy things
That
before,
tech
and
buying at the last 10 minutes after hours was crazy, so I think it's going to continue tomorrow.
yeah, watch out for this trend line. Maybe it's gonna take a retest of it. Okay, so around 243, that will be like the best entry. Like taking an entry right here. So you take this box as your support. Perfectly. So maybe wait for Microsoft like to do a part 2 with it. Like if it's not running to 260 tomorrow, like watch the pullback to 243. Like always have a plan B, right? Like what if the stock does not go up but goes down? So look for a support. So 242, 242. 243, 242, sorry. Um but as a play, I mean right now it's pretty much runway for Softy. Let's pull a fib from here. Oh, no, let's do a real price target based off something and not just thin air.
Yeah, that's the fib I was thinking of.
Yeah, definitely. So first, yeah, 260.
Holy crap.
Get this shit, 260. It's right there.
If this happens tomorrow, Fong, you owe me 1 share of Microsoft.
You're what?
If this happens tomorrow, you owe me 1 share of Microsoft, okay?
I owe you 1 share?
If it hits 260 tomorrow.
Why would I owe you 1 share?
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so yeah, Softy looking at 260. Wait for a pullback. 245 would be my plan. 243, 242, something around that. And yeah, so be patient on this one. QCOM, hello. QCOM filled that big gap it had. Right now, another gap has formed. Oh, that's a huge gap. Holy fuck. Oh my god.
Qualcomm to the moon.
Oh my god, look at this gap. Nah, not to the moon, bro. On Earth. 162. Wow. QCOM has a
Oh,
gap
yeah.
from one. QCOM has a gap from 151 to 162. A $10 gap that has no bid in it. Holy fuck.
What the heck?
It's insane. It's because of their earnings last time.
Oh.
They just died. Completely died. Okay. CMF picked up very strongly today. Very optimistic. The entry on CMF was around 132. So right now we're up $8 from the CMF entry. Looking at the ribbons, yeah, change of trend is happening. Exactly. 1 hour kind of called the change of trends around 130 right here. Okay, so that's very nice. Trend is bullish right now, so let's look for a target. POC, point of control, is at 146, so I would play something to that. We can potentially get rejected out of 143. Okay, potentially not a very not a 100% strong resistance, but still, it can act as a resistance. Okay, and we could also get rejected tomorrow. Yeah, look at this red bar volume just came in on QCOM on the last hour. Just took on the 5 minute. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh my god. 2.50 2.6 million candle volume on the last 5 minute after
Something is
close.
up with this. Every single big tech is just freaking red candle. Or sorry, big green candle.
I mean, just big volume.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know if the hedge funds are getting in, but one information that I have, okay, it is since 2 weeks, since a month around, hedge fund has been very low. Okay, hedge fund didn't put a lot of money into the stock market on the last month. So I don't know. Maybe they're expecting a big pullback. So we don't know. But right now stocks are booming, so fuck them. Okay, QCOM. Let's look for support. Doesn't have a lot of support. So we need to look at intraday, maybe to find something better. 138. 138, very interesting level. Okay, we got rejected yesterday. We got rejected Friday. Today we got above it. We took support, filled the gap. That's a perfect play. That is a perfect play by QCOM. Okay, we gapped above during pre-market. We chopped and then retest that 138 and all the way to the upside. That's beautiful. That's a perfect setup. Yeah. So take 138 as a support. yeah, $2 and around $4 to the upside. So risk reward can be something like this, 1.7, which is very nice. Very, very nice. I think, does QCOM has shitty options? I I I, I can't remember, but I think their option is not like amazing. Amazon, wow. My friend was early on Amazon. Okay, yeah, we did an Amazon trade right here. We thought it was going to 32.45 was our target to fill the gap here, but it looks like Amazon I mean, we got in early, like a week earlier or like 2 weeks earlier. So yeah, whatever. Um but now it's super strong right now. Super strong. Big trend. Target 330 3314 as a target.
I love it.
Love it, huh?
It wants that volume.
Oh, big volume today. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, Fong, look at back over like from September. It was forming like a perfect pattern from September all the way up until February 18th. That triangle right there that's forming. You see that consolidation? Yes, right there.
This?
Exactly. Yep.
Oh my
That
god.
was exactly
Oh my
textbook.
god.
Let's see where that matches up right there. It's going to be right at that point.
You were right at the resistance. Wow. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Holy fuck. You want to know something fun?
For sure. You bought in there?
I mean,
Oh my gosh.
this you couldn't. I mean, this you could have called it, okay, because of this, because of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
level
yeah.
right here. So 2871, you could have called this, pick some order. Like it's not random. Like I just show you that this point was not random. It was given to us like since
Yeah.
September. And when that form, you could have drawn that trend line that I just draw. When when that was formed over. And right now you have that beautiful channel, the ascending channel, but pointing like
It,
closer. So at some point, Amazon needs to break that. Maybe tomorrow might be the day if we gap above this. Um, if we gap above 32.48, okay, so $20 to the upside. If we gap above that tomorrow morning, it's going straight shot to 33.32. Straight shot. So
can
watch
you
out for
extend
that.
that top line, please?
Huh?
The
This?
top. Can you extend the top? Yeah. Can you extend that, please?
Yeah, 3400. 3400.
Yeah. Confirmed.
But yeah, my
Right.
chart's
All
starting to
good.
look messy, so I need to erase those. Okay, I would put something like this. That's beautiful. Holy fuck. Oh my god. I love TA. It's so fun. So much fun. It's like it's like it's defying like everyone who says, "Oh, you can't time like a dip buy."
Can't time the market.
Yeah, like, oh, you can time the market, bro. Amazon just prove us that you can time it perfectly. Like, come on, you
So
serious?
far for the 3,300 calls, I was thinking about getting in before the bell, but I guess we'll see tomorrow what happens if it gaps up or.
You got in before the bell.
I thought about it. I see that volume. I wish.
Okay, so you didn't got in.
Yeah, I was thinking about it,
Oh, okay.
but I waited.
Uh, so, but okay, but it was your trading idea.
Yeah. Well, no, it wasn't
Like you
mine.
saw that, like you saw that setup or what?
Yeah. I saw that setup before.
Oh wow,
But Reborn called it out this morning.
wow.
He called it out at like 3,200 at like 10 o'clock. I almost jumped in there after my Microsoft 400
at
percenter.
10 o'clock.
Like 10:30 or something. I saw the consolidation right there, just to the right. That bull flag, higher up. Yeah, that one. I saw that, and I was gonna jump in there, which would have been textbook.
Yeah.
But I already got 400% on Microsoft, so I
Oh
just
my
kind
God,
of
look at.
enjoyed my day.
Oh wow, that is textbook indeed. Just gonna do a quick drawing. It's fun. Like TA is fun if you like to draw. Look at this triangle.
Yeah, that's exactly what I saw.
Yeah, you played right here. Wow. But my entry would have told me to got in right here. Look, like it got below my 50. It got below my 50 EMAs. So the order would have been 3166. Yeah. Yo, I have a fire strategy. Oh my god.
Do it.
Oh my god.
Spill the beans.
No, because right now, like I'm in a backtest phase of my new strategy. But like I'm looking at like I'm using like you guys TA to help me with the backtest, and it's just super nice. Um. All right. Oh, but that's a 5 minute. I need 1 hour. Yeah, even here. Wow. Okay. Skills quickly. Need to go somewhere soon. Skills. Skills doesn't look like it wants to get up. CMF is pretty weak. No, skills is looking like a dead stock. Wait for stochastic to cross above 20 on the daily, and I mean, right now the play would be something like a lead to June or something, like if it's not expensive. So, so personally, I would look out for something in May. Put call put call open interest 0.65. That's not great. Like that's not super great, you know. It's just like the volume is more bullish though, but the open interest not that not that not that big. But I think people are pricing in for a $20 call. People are pricing in that. So maybe take the oh my god, that's beautiful. Maybe take the 25, or I would simply play a debit spread. My idea here is a debit spread. Oh my god. Yeah, debit spread or put credit spread. It's always the best. Put credit spread, you play 17-16. Debit spread, you play 24-25. That should be like hella cheap for May, for May, or even like, okay, so for May 25 they cost 135. Um the other leg the other leg will be 180. No, 0.80. So a debit, so $50. You're paying $50 for a 25-24, for a 25-30. Ooh, 25-30. You're paying $50 for that. It's literally nothing. Oh wow. Or like even this one. Yo, you guys should do debit spreads more, I'm telling you. Okay, skills. It's looking like a dead stock, to be honest. Support. Let's look for support. Okay, support. Um, um, 1659 to 1777. Okay. So right now your risk reward is amazing, amazing. Like, you know, when people say, like, when stocks are ugly, it's the time to get in. Like, when they already moved, like, it's not the time. So right now risk reward 3.9. Oh wow, 3.9. And then we have some small resistance around 21. A stronger resistance though at 20. Okay. But right now at 1886, that's a very nice like risk reward play. You can even like put it down to 1655. That would be a 1.77. But if you want to be to do a nice risk reward play, 3.7. Put your stop loss at 1776. And MDM. Oh wow, look, it's looking like the same. Oh my god, very sharp. Oh my god. Okay, okay. And MDM, we're swinging this or what? Oh wow. Nah, it sucks. Okay, so something like this. Not like the support is not that important. It doesn't mean a thing like that support. I mean, yes, it does. Some consolidation here show that we might take this as our base for the next leg up. Okay, I would look something around 1167. Oh my god, should I call this out? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, two plays here. Okay, like even that one is great. 223. 223 risk reward right here. If we do take a longer trade, to 1168, I will put my stop loss right at 661. So even that risk reward is 2.21. Yeah, I would play something like that. I would definitely play this something like that. That's beautiful. Holy freak. And this too. An MDM. Okay. Okay, an MDM. Definitely want to watch. I think I'm gonna buy some. Oops. Mm, it's Alt B, right? Is it Alt B? Oh, I cannot trade anymore. Oh, it sucks. Okay. An NDM. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful risk reward play. Tesla, quickly. Okay, Tesla broke out in the pre-market. We still have a huge gap here to fill. A small gap to fill here. I mean, $20 gap. That's still huge. But bullish, bullish, bullish. Tesla. Target 742. Okay, oops. Target 742 right at this candle right here. And then we broke out of this trend line. That's beautiful. We took support 691 is our POC. So next target 741. Risk reward is insane. And Tesla moves well, so good luck with that. 2.2 risk reward. That's beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, I was looking at that today.
Yeah. Um. Do you get do you guys like the concept of the Google Sheets?
I like it.